I try to do? Wow. Look at her go.
We're in an Indian restaurant, about to have some dinner, about to have some
And how comes we ended up having curry? It was the adventures of Sue and Stu. Damn right. Is it good? Look at that. Look at that absolute bad boy.
It's giving Tesco ready meal.
It is. And that's an utter compliment. Just so we can play a bit cheeky Mario Kart.
What's those words?
Oh, look at that. Surviving vlogs. Ooh.
Moving out. Beth is in her wardrobe.
Hello.
I think the saddest part about moving out is that the champagne microphone, it's gonna have to find an owner. It's on your side, so.
The sad thing is, I've actually used that. Why hello there, and welcome to my crib. Well, our crib. Try fairy lights, Daiso, don't know how much, Holly paid for that. Fridge, that's got nothing in it, but I think some milk. This is
Oh, that's probably expired by now, right?
Oh yeah. Kitchen. That's all you need, isn't it? This is the toilet. Then this is Holly's side, as you can see. Obviously we didn't live like this for the past few months.
We are moving out. Context.
So we got this sticker. Man, respect you.
Hip hop round.
Damn right, bestie. We got, look at all these goods. It's like a shop. Also got
Empty. Shaver. Razor. Taylor Swift perfume. Best perfume ever. Shampoo.
Oh, we said champagne.
Champagne.
Got some cheeky goods. Polaroid film. Also a package from Sue and Stu. Here we have Holly's beds. Got cheeky laundry.
I sleep with this on the bed.
Yeah. And also with PJs just laying there. We've got posters, a protest sign, but that's for another day where we explain the protest sign, because, you know.
Hit the like button if you want a story time video.
And it, not clickbait. Fairy lights from Daiso.
You can see me doing this with my hand though. In the window.
We got our bin. And
no, the Luna bin.
Oh, the Luna bin and Christmas tree. I don't know where that's gonna go. That's recycling down there. Oops.
And the holy knot.
Yeah. That's gonna stay there. That's for the next people.
The pile of rubbish.
We're moving out, so it's alright. My beds and my plushies stuffed down the side, you know, Subway bag. My clothes up in a pile. My desk. Oh my god, wait, no, that's my ARC photo. I had my NHS COVID thing, because, you know, vaccine.
Who's gonna write hate on this video?
You
No
never
one watches
know.
my videos.
Don't dish yourself like that, buddy. You make banging videos. Leave a like. It only makes banging videos. And I better go boom, 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 boom.
Oh my finger had cramp.
Also got Kirby, Frat Boy Kirby, and my swan that I got in a Kinder egg. My nail clippers, bit of my broken necklace for the mosquitoes, old hand sanitizer, and for the mosquitoes. And then this is like my bits in it, the champagne. Mike, with some books that I read while I'm here. No. Kinder egg toys, a My Melody I bought from Daiso, a yo-yo I got from Hype. I swapped them with a pair of socks. Oh, that was an elf sticker from Sue and Stu, and I didn't want to get rid of it. That's for presents. A post-it that like to-do list. Any of them checked? No. Me albums, you know, my McDonald's toy. Great collection in it. Taylor Swift, my Hype thing, Kuromi that I won in Gangnam, by the way. This is stuff that I've got for people. It ain't mine. And me towels.
Cheeky towel.
I know. And that's all I've got. And I'll see you next time. Oh my god, I can't even get in. Bye-bye. It's not even gonna fully shut. Prof, man of the hour, vibing to his music.
The trees! It's a race against time. It's like the Spider-Man meme.
And But it's the ultimate battle of taxi versus subway.
We're gonna see who gets there first.
And it.
It's probably not gonna be the taxi.
Could you imagine?
This is like a mini tour, so there's like my door and my like entryway. I have a really nice like bathroom, and this is my room. It's so cozy. I literally love it. I have like the Moomin collection. I love it. They even gave me slippers, which is really thoughtful. On my leg here, which is super lovely, and the bed and TV and stuff. It's a really nice place located in Hongdae. And yeah, Beth and Elise just left, so now I don't know what to do. Might just relax and like watch TV or something.